Hi, my name's Marie, and today we're going to do Seiunchin Kata. So this is part one of learning Seiunchin Kata. There will be a part two next week. So in this half, we're going to focus mainly on the first half of Seiunchin up until the second Archer's block. Okay, and then part two will continue from that point and finish out the kata. All right, so part one of Seiunchin Kata. Let's get started. Attention. Bow. Ready stance. Hands out in front of you. Look to your left. Step out with your right foot. Bring your hands to your belt. You're going to be in Seiunchin stance. Hands to your belt. Going to do a double spear hand out. Bring your hands apart. Bring them back together and cross them. And then double low close block. Look to your right. Bring your right hand out into a ridge hand block. Turn it over. And as you pull back, you want a spear hand. Look over your right shoulder. Step. Bring your hands to your belt. Double spear hand out. Pull them apart. Cross your hands. Double low block. Look to your left. Bring your left hand up. Ridge hand block. Turn it over. And as you pull back, spear hand. Go over your left shoulder. Step. Take your right foot. Step. You're in Seiunchin stance once more. Double spear hand out. Pull your hands apart. Cross your arms. And double low block down. Look to your right. Bring your right hand out. Ridge hand block. Turn it over. And as you pull back, spear hand. Now take your fist. And then as you step back into a cat stance, roll your hand over like this. Slide back, cat stance, and pull it to your belt. Step forward, Seisan stance, and then punch out. So you're doing a reinforced punch. Now shuffle forward, keeping the same foot forward, then elbow up. You want to look to your right, take your right foot forward. You're going to step into a Seisan stance on a 45. So you're facing a 45-degree angle, and you just step Seisan stance in that direction. So you're going to close your right hand, open your left. With your right hand, you're going to put the palm against palm, so your fist should be out. You're going to do a reinforced middle block, okay? From here, take your left foot, step forward, Seiunchin stance, and low block with your left hand. Now, take that same left foot, step back, and low block with your right hand. All right, so you want to take your left foot, step, Seisan stance on a 45-degree angle. You want to close your left hand, make a fist, open your right hand, put your left hand in the palm of your right hand. You're going to do a reinforced middle block. Now, take your right foot, step, Seiunchin stance, the low block with your right hand. Step back, right foot, left foot should be forward, low close block with your left hand. Now you want to take your left foot, step back, Seiunchin stance. You're going to make an X. Left hand will be on the outside, right hand on the inside. So this is called the Archer's block. And the way that you do this, you're going to take the one on the outside, your left hand. You're going to bring it over your head and then behind your head. At the same time you do this, you're going to take your right hand and it's going to come out. So the right hand, it's kind of like a little shuto motion that we're going to do, a little knife hand. And then this one, just bringing it back, okay? So together it looks like this. Now take your right foot, step back, Seiunchin stance. This time the right hand's going to be on the outside, left one in. Right hand's going to come over your head, left hand's going to come forward. So together, looks like that. So that was the end of Seiunchin Kata, part 1. Part 2 will be coming out soon. If you're not a big fan of the format of this video, go check out my walkthrough of Seiunchin Kata. It's just a walkthrough. The camera doesn't move, and you just watch the kata.